The boats are coming, and the second annual P1 race is about ready to start at Jacksonville's Memorial Park. These P1 Panthers pack a 250 horsepower outboard Evinrude in back. They're basically stock boats except for fairings over the back set of seats. They'll all be docking right here at Memorial Park on a set of floating docks. You can visit them in between the races.
Jimmy, why do you do this?
We are in the boat world. We play in the boat world a lot, and this opportunity popped up, and it seemed like something that everyone should be able to tell the story to their grandkids. Remember that time we raced boats?
And the cool thing is, this is a stock boat that you can take the cowling off and carry friends with if you want.
It is. It is a very versatile race boat. It's the class of racing is fun because it's stock. The boats are evenly matched, but the boat's pretty versatile. So you could take a group of handful of people when it's not in its race setting.
And what's the most fun about this boat?
It's just a really comfortable, fast boat. It's really fun to ride on.
These boats are capable of up to 70 miles an hour on the water, which doesn't sound like much if you're driving a car until you start doing it. What the plan is to get out a little further where there's no manatee, and that's the race course out there. This isn't as smooth as a race car. It's a little choppy out here, even though visually the water looks pretty flat. On board the Visit Jacksonville, a P1 Panther race boat. I'm Dan Scanlan for Jacksonville.com.